Welcome to channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the 12 best foods, iron-rich foods. Number 1, lean red meat provides a highly absorbable form of heme iron, which is easily utilized by the body for functions like oxygen transport and energy production. Next is poultry. Poultry contains heme iron and a good source of protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Next is fish, mackerel, tuna fish, and sardines. 12 best iron-rich foods. The next fish are rich in home iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and proteins, supporting heart health, brain functions, and overall well-being. Number 4 is shellfish, high in heme iron and other essential nutrients like zinc and vitamins B12, crucial for immune functions and nerve health. Shellfish includes clams, oysters. Next is beans and legumes, lentils, beans, legumes. These all provide non-heme iron along with fibers, which also aid in digestion and promote gut health. Very beneficial for gut health. They also low in fat and good source of plant-based fibers. The next food is tofu. Tofu, plant-based source of iron and protein, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. They also contain beneficial phytonutrients and low in saturated fat. Tofu is very beneficial iron-rich food for vegetarians. The next is seeds, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, rich in non-heme iron as well as healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which contribute to heart health, inflammation reduction, and overall wellness. Seeds, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds. The next is nuts, cashew nuts, almonds. Cashew nuts and almonds provide non-heme iron along with healthy fats, protein, and various vitamins and minerals, support heart health. Cashew nuts, almonds, weight management, and very helpful for improved brain functions. Today we are discussing the 12 best iron-rich foods. The next is leafy greens, spinach, kale. The leafy greens or spinach, kale, packed with non-heme iron such as and vitamins such as A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, essential for immunity, bone health, and blood clotting. Quinoa, a gluten-free whole grain containing non-heme iron, protein, and fiber, supporting weight management, blood sugar control, and digestive health. Fortified cereals, grains, also very helpful. The next is dried fruits. Apricots, raisins provide non-heme iron and fiber as well as antioxidants, promote digestive health and overall nutritional balance. Apricots, raisins, very helpful food and included in 12 iron-rich foods. Incorporating these iron-rich foods into your diet can help prevent iron deficiency, anemia, support energy levels, promote healthy growth and development, and contribute to overall health and well-being. Today we are discussing the 12 best iron-rich foods. And watch my channel Passion Food and Health and share with your friends or relatives. Thank you very much.